I got something for y'all. So this one right here is pretty powerful and a lot of people be sleeping on it. So under 50 USC section 3931, if you're in the military and you don't show up for court, they can't just automatically hit you with a default judgment like that. So before any judgment is entered, the court has to make sure whether or not you're in the military. And if you are, they have to appoint an attorney to represent you. Let that sink in for a second. So you get legal representation even if you didn't show up, and it gets a little better. So if a judgment does go through while you're deployed or right after, you can come right back and have that case reopened if your service affected your ability to defend yourself. So that means collections, lawsuits, even some of the civil cases can be challenged and potentially reversed. So how do you use this? So say you find out a judgment hit you while you were serving, you don't have to just accept it. You may have the right to reopen the case and fight back. This is how you protect your name, your credit, and your pockets while you're serving this country. As always, I got y'all. Stay safe and be blessed. Peace.
Dropping jug and salt and we apply the pressure. For the people, we move smart, we move better. Know your rights, yeah, we teach it, we enforce. If it is unlawful, it gotta get tossed.